Welcome. My name is Simone and I'm working with healing sounds, including the human voice. And I found this the most powerful tool we have available. And if you think about it, it is our own vibrational medicine. So how can you get better than this to treat yourself with your own healing medicine? So in my classes and workshops, either in person or online, I'm trying to bring in very simple, easy tools, but yet powerful. For example, I'm bringing in vowel sounds and including a little bit of movement, and I feel like this opens up our inner spaces. So I'm also bringing in different chakra sounds as well that helps balancing and clearing our chakras, but also like it brings us back in our present moment because our beautiful body is vibrating and we are fully there with our voice and our breath. Also like bringing in some simple mantra practice as well, also like kirtan, call and response, which can be a little bit freestyle as well. And sometimes I love to gift sound bath participants as well a vocal sound bath, or a vocal sound bath.